Welcome to the Greenwood Fence Single Gate Assembly Guide. Our Greenwood Fence gates are designed with both durability and style in mind, offering a modern solution to secure and elevate your space. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step assembly process to ensure a smooth and hassle-free installation. Before we get started, make sure you have the necessary tools: pencil, rubber mallet, measuring tape, spirit level, drop cloth, adjustable wrench, electric or cordless drill, carpenter's square, safety glasses, and gloves. Now let's begin the assembly. Step 1. Fitting the bottom vertical frame upright caps. To start, we're going to install the bottom upright caps, parts 12 and 10, into the vertical frame uprights, parts A and B, respectively. Secure them each with 2 self-tapping screws, part 5. Make sure the caps sit flush with the uprights as you see here. Step 2. Mounting the horizontal frame base edges. Insert the horizontal frame base edge, part C, into the bottom channels of the vertical frame uprights, parts A and B. If it's snug, use your rubber mallet to gently tap it into place as demonstrated. Double-check the alignment using a carpenter's square to ensure a perfect 90-degree corner. This step is important for maintaining the structure's stability. Once aligned, secure the base edge with 4 self-tapping screws at the front and 4 at the back. Step 3. Preparing the vertical frame uprights for panel fitting. Slide the panel insert attachments, part D, into the channels of the vertical frame uprights, parts A and B. They should rest on the horizontal frame base edge, part C. This attachment ensures proper spacing for the panels, allowing for a tight fit and long-lasting stability. Step 4. Adding the first gate panel. It's time to place the first gate panel, part E. Slide the first gate panel down the panel insert attachments, part D, until it fits into the groove of the horizontal frame base edge. Take a moment to check that the panel is secure before moving on. Step 5. Adding the remaining gate panels. Using the same method, slide the remaining gate panels into place. Make sure each panel fits snugly as you work your way to the top. When you reach the top, position the horizontal frame top edge, part C, and secure it to the vertical frame uprights, parts A and B, with 4 self-tapping screws at the front and 4 at the back. Before fully tightening, let's pause and double-check that the corners are perfectly square. To confirm, measure the diagonal distance from one bottom corner to the opposite top corner on both sides. Both measurements should be equal. Step 6. Securing each panel. Using the self-tapping screws, attach the panels from both sides as shown in this configuration. Step 7. Fitting the channel cover strips to parts A and B. Gently tap the channel cover strips into place on both vertical frame uprights, parts A and B. Note: the hinge side upright, part B, uses full-length cover strips, while the handle lock side, part A, requires a split cover strip for the lock fitting. Step 8. Fitting the top upright covers to parts A and B. Now let's install the top end covers, parts 12 and 11, to the vertical frame uprights, parts A and B, respectively. Secure them using self-tapping screws. Step 9. Preparing the gate posts. Now let's set the gate posts, part K, in concrete footings. The footings should be 40 inches deep and at least 12 inches in diameter for a 4x4 post, or a minimum 14 inches if 6x6 posts are being used. To ensure proper clearance and allow room for tolerance adjustments, set the insides of the gate posts 49 inches apart. This creates a 49-inch opening for the gate, providing an ideal 1 3/4 inch total clearance for the actual gate width of 47 1/4 inches. Ensure the grooves in the posts, part K, are facing the gate opening. Use a spirit level to confirm that the posts are absolutely vertical and plumb as the concrete begins to cure. Footnote: Although this guide is for a 4-foot wide single gate, the same clearance of 1 3/4 inches should be maintained for a 6-foot wide single gate. In that case, the gate opening between the posts should be 72 3/4 inches, as the gate itself is approximately 71 inches wide. Step 10. Hanging the gate and setting hinge placement. Insert 2 square nuts into the channel of the post, part K, and slide them to the base. Attach the lower hinge using the bolt and washer set. Hang the gate on the lower hinge spigot and ensure proper alignment. Then insert the other 2 square nuts and attach the upper hinge, sliding it into place and securing it with the bolts. Don't forget to make minor adjustments to the hinges to ensure the gate swings freely and is level. Step 11. Removing the gate and installing the hinge side gap closer. Mark the top hinge placement and remove the gate. This allows access to install the 72-inch vertical hinge side gap closer to the post. Drill self-tapping screws through the pre-drilled holes, making sure the 90-degree angle portion faces outward, opposite the direction of the gate's swing. Remember, the gap closer enhances the no-gap feature of the Greenwood Fence gate. Step 12. Final hanging of the gate. Hang the gate back onto the lower hinge spigot, making sure the top hinge is placed according to your marked position. Check the alignment and level once again to ensure everything is perfectly set. Step 13. Fitting the hinge and post caps. With both hinges securely fitted and the gate swinging freely, install the top hinge cover. Finally, secure the post caps, part 21, using self-tapping screws. Step 14. Fitting the lock and handles. Now let's install the lock assembly. Slide the lock case into the upright, securing it with 2 machine screws. Insert the lock hub and spindle, passing them through the lock case. Secure the lock hub with a machine screw. Finally, mount both handles onto the frame upright using the long machine screws. Step 15. Installing the gate stopper. Attach the gate stopper to the latch side post using 3 self-tapping hex bolt screws, top, middle, and bottom. Make sure the gate stopping edge is positioned opposite the direction of the gate's swing. The gate stopper also serves as a gap closer on the latch side, finalizing the no-gap feature of your Greenwood Fence gate. Step 16. Fitting the strike plate. Slide 3 stopper nuts into the channel of the gate stopper. Loosely secure the strike plate using machine screws, then adjust it so that the latch mechanism engages properly with the strike plate holes. Once aligned, tighten the screws to secure the strike plate in place. Congratulations! You've successfully assembled your Greenwood Fence gate, ensuring a seamless and secure installation with our precision-engineered no-gap design. If you have any questions or need further assistance, our team is ready to help. Don't hesitate to contact us for expert support. Thank you for choosing Greenwood Fence, where modern design meets durability. Your new gate is ready to elevate your space for years to come.